Hey y'all, today is day 3 and today we're making an aloe vera hair mask. So I have 3 big leaves of aloe vera and I'm just going to cut each one in half, shave off the prickly sides and then cut it in half and then just scoop out the meat of the aloe vera into my blender cup. Yeah, so this part takes a little bit of time to do. So, yeah, it's really annoying. I had to wash my hands in between. It's not annoying, it's just so slippery and ooey gooey. So, after a while, it gets old, and you're like, okay, can we be done? But it's okay. But aloe vera has good benefits for the hair. It's antibacterial, so it helps clean your scalp, which is really good. It helps to detangle. It's a great detangler, which you'll see later on in the video. And it also encourages hair to be clumped, so it reduces frizz in natural hair. So it's really a good ingredient to use, and definitely a good hair mask by itself. Also, you don't have to warm it up or anything on the stove, which is good because some masks you have to do that, but with this one, you don't. So yeah, I'm just going to scrape out all of the aloe vera gel from all the leaves, and then I'll come back when I'm done. So once I'm done this, I'm going to just clean up the area. Just grab a paper towel and clean up the mess that the aloe vera gel made. And then after that, I'm going to grab the blender lid and close up the blender cup. Now I'm going to blend it until everything is nice and blended well. There's no chunks. I'm going to take it off, and then I'm going to empty the mix into a nut milk bag, which is only $6 on Amazon for a 2-pack, which is a really good deal. So you just squeeze it all out, and then after that you will have no flakes and no chunks, so your wash day won't be a mess. But yeah, definitely get the nut milk bag if you plan to make DIY mask. So before I apply it, I'm going to shampoo my hair using this shampoo. Then I'm going to rinse out this shampoo with warm water and apply the mask. Okay, so I washed my hair and I put a little bit of the mask on already. It's a very loose consist. Can you say the word? Consistency. All right, here is the mask. I put it in the fridge for like 2 hours. It's cold. Hopefully it warms up, but I definitely don't want cold product on my hair. But you see the foam is gone, so I'm glad I squeezed that foam in. This is a mask I should put in an applicator bottle. Actually, let me go do that right now. Okay. Oh, y'all saw that. So let's apply it and catch it when you apply it so it doesn't drip on the floor. Let me turn around because y'all cannot see it. Now I like this. It's clumping the curls instantly. A little hard to detangle with. I should have put the okra gel in the applicator bottle. Alright, so I just parted out another row. I think I should work in like smaller sections. And then squeeze it into the hair. Now the detangling is the part that hurts. The finger detangling, but it's necessary. But I'm just taking my time with each section. I was about to talk fast and just jumble my words up. Okay, now we're up front. I did this side already. It's looking good. Now, why does my hair look like this wet, but when it's dry, it's all shrunken? So I just want to talk about the importance of straining whatever hair mask you're making in this series. Strain your hair mask. Use the nut milk bag and strain it. The nut milk bag will catch everything that will leave flakes in your hair and clumps in your hair. I'm saying that because it happened to me before, but once I started using the nut milk bag, I don't have any flakes or any clumps. Like, I have just pure hair mask or whatever it is that just moisturizes my hair. So use your nut milk bag. I don't want y'all commenting saying I tried the hair mask and it made a mess in my hair. Like, and I'm gonna comment back and say, I'm gonna comment back and say, did you strain it? And then you say no, I'm gonna be like, oh okay, oh okay, oh okay, yeah. It's like, I'm not gonna say that, but I'm just saying, just strain it. The thing is only $6 for a 2-pack on Amazon. Ew. It went in my mouth. 2-pack on Amazon, $6, y'all. Come on. Like, don't try to take the easy way out, because you're gonna have flakes and make it hard for you to rinse it out. Then you're gonna be mad on wash day. Wash day already takes long. Then you're gonna be shampooing your hair 5 times to get the flakes out. Like, just listen the first time. Now I'm finished. So I'm gonna clean up, and then once I clean up, I'm gonna rinse this out with warm water and then come back for results. Okay, so I rinsed it out and put my butter on, and these are the results. It's not as moisturized as some other masks have left my hair, but it was a great detangler. Very good. So check out the previous DIY hair mask in the playlist right here. Thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.